Hello and welcome. Today, I would like to discuss the importance of protein supplementation in pigeons. Protein is particularly vital for racing pigeons as it contributes to healthy development and superior performance. The natural diet of pigeons consists of seeds, grains, and plant-based food. However, pigeons that require intense physical activity, such as racing pigeons, have an additional need for protein. Protein is necessary for muscle growth, repair, and energy provision. During a racing season, pigeons must cover long distances quickly. This process increases their energy requirements and leads to muscle wear and tear. This is where protein supplementation comes into play. Protein supplementation strengthens the pigeon's muscles, enhances their endurance, and shortens their recovery periods. It also supports the immune system and enhances resistance to infections. As a result, pigeons can maintain their high performance levels. The muscle tissue of racing pigeons develops with the correct amounts of protein intake, proper nutrition, and appropriate exercise. Protein provides the amino acids that serve as the building blocks of muscles and supports muscle growth and repair. Here is the process of how racing pigeon muscle tissue develops with protein. Protein intake. Racing pigeons' diet should contain an adequate amount of protein. Special pigeon feeds are typically formulated with high protein content and designed to meet the protein requirements of pigeons. These feeds provide the necessary amino acids for muscle development. Amino acid absorption. Pigeons have specialized digestive systems for the breakdown of proteins and absorption of amino acids. Digestive enzymes break down proteins into amino acids, which are then absorbed from the intestines. The absorbed amino acids enter the bloodstream and are transported to muscle tissues. Muscle synthesis. Amino acids enter the process of protein synthesis within muscle cells. During this process, amino acids come together in the ribosomes of cells to form new proteins. These proteins support muscle growth and repair. Exercise. Protein synthesis is further enhanced with exercise. Racing pigeons undergo intense physical activity during their flights, which can cause micro-tears in the muscles. Protein synthesis helps repair these tears and make the muscles stronger. Recovery and growth. Protein synthesis initiates the process of muscle cell recovery and growth. Racing pigeons repair and strengthen their muscles during rest and sleep. The amino acids provided by protein support muscle growth and strengthening during this process. It is important to note that along with protein, other nutrients should be consumed in a balanced manner. Vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients support the effective utilization of protein and the healthy development of muscle tissue. Protein sources such as meat, fish, legumes, or soybeans provide many benefits to pigeons. Here are the positive effects of these protein sources on pigeons. Meat. Meat is a rich source of high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and vitamins such as B12 and iron. It can contribute to muscle development and overall health. Fish. Fish is another excellent source of protein, as well as omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties and can support heart health and overall well-being. Legumes. Legumes like lentils and peas are plant-based protein sources that are also high in fiber. They provide a good balance of protein, carbohydrates, and other nutrients for pigeons. Soybeans. Soybeans are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids. They can be included in the diet to ensure a comprehensive protein profile for pigeons. These protein sources, when incorporated into a well-balanced diet, can contribute to the overall health, performance, and muscle development of pigeons. Muscle development and repair. Protein is the building block for muscle growth and repair. Protein sources such as meat, fish, legumes, and soybeans support the healthy development of pigeon muscles. Muscles play a critical role in the performance of racing pigeons. Consistently consuming an adequate amount of protein can increase muscle mass and promote strength in pigeons. Energy efficiency. Protein can enhance the energy efficiency of pigeons. Protein sources are a type of nutrient that requires longer digestion and expends more energy. Therefore, when pigeons are fed a protein-rich diet, their energy levels can be more balanced and stable. This helps them endure longer during races and maintain their performance. Boosting the immune system. Protein can strengthen the immune system of pigeons. Pigeons can experience strain on their immune systems when exposed to high levels of physical activity and stress during races. The amino acids provided by protein are essential for the production and function of immune cells in pigeons. This makes pigeons more resilient against infections and diseases. Feather quality. Protein can impact the feathers and feather quality of pigeons. Consuming an adequate amount of protein can support healthy, shiny, and beautiful feathers in pigeons. This helps pigeons present a better appearance during races. By ensuring proper protein intake through a balanced diet that includes protein-rich sources, pigeon owners can support muscle development, energy efficiency, immune system strength, and feather quality in their racing pigeons. General health. Protein supports the overall health of pigeons. Protein is necessary for many important functions in the body. It contributes to the structure of enzymes, hormones, antibodies, and other biological compounds. Consuming an adequate amount of protein is important for pigeons to develop and maintain their health in a balanced manner. Leucine is an amino acid that plays a significant role in protein synthesis in many living organisms. Leucine is also an important factor in triggering protein synthesis in pigeons. Here are the important effects of leucine on protein synthesis in pigeons. Anabolic effect. Leucine is an amino acid that has an anabolic effect in pigeons. Anabolic effect promotes the synthesis of new proteins and the growth of tissues in the body. Sufficient intake of leucine supports the growth and repair of pigeon muscle tissue. MTR activation. Leucine affects an enzyme called mechanistic target of rapamycin, MTR, which triggers protein synthesis. MTR is a signaling pathway that controls protein synthesis within cells. By activating MTR, leucine helps cells increase protein synthesis. This promotes the growth and strengthening of pigeon muscle tissue. Stimulation of protein synthesis. Leucine enables the participation of ribosomes in the process of protein synthesis. Ribosomes are structural components where new proteins are synthesized within cells. The presence of leucine triggers the activation of ribosomes and accelerates protein synthesis. Consequently, more protein is synthesized in pigeons, supporting muscle tissue development. By ensuring an adequate intake of leucine and other essential amino acids through a balanced diet, pigeon owners can support protein synthesis, muscle growth, and overall health in their racing pigeons. Muscle protein balance. Leucine regulates muscle protein balance in pigeons. Muscle protein balance refers to the balance between muscle protein synthesis and breakdown. The presence of leucine increases muscle protein synthesis while reducing protein breakdown, thereby positively influencing muscle protein balance. This contributes to the preservation and growth of muscle mass in pigeons. Now, how can protein supplementation be provided? There are multiple options to provide extra protein.